Hello, this is Stafford from Adventure Kiteboarding, and I wanted to see what's in the Ocean Rodeo bag for today, what they've sent us. First thing we've got for you, the new Ocean Rodeo Smoothy Lite. So this is the smoothie that has 1 millimeter less of fiberglass in the deck, which makes it slightly more flexible. It's going to be ideal for riders 185 pounds or less, but what that does is normally the smoothie is reliant on its shape for how well it rides and handles chop, but this has put a little bit more flex in the deck also. So if you're a heavier rider over 185 pounds, you're not really going to want this because it's going to be too soft for you. But if you're under 185, this is going to be just right for you. This is an exclusive to Adventure Kiteboarding. It's called the Smoothy Lite. This particular one is the 133, so the color is determined by the size. This is the 136 color, and so that's the 136 size. Now this is, like I said, slightly more flexible, but it's not a noodle by any means. It's not super loose, it's not, too flexy. It's just slightly more flexible than the other Ocean Rodeo smoothies that we would just call the traditionals. So also in the bag here, then we have the Ocean Rodeo Bliss Footpads and straps. These are the ones that would come with typically the origin. You can add these to the smoothie. These are sort of the base level because these are just Velcro foot pads and straps. The upper levels are the Bliss Air. Now the good thing about using these with the smoothie is, first of all, you save some money because they're not super expensive. But now that the smoothies have gone to the 6-inch bolt distance between where you put your bolts on the foot pads, 6 inches is the standard throughout the industry. So 90% of the boards out there use the 6-inch size. You can see that these holes are ovalized, so you can go anywhere from 6 to about 6 3/8, which means that you can also put these same foot pads and straps on your Makos, which uses the bigger size. So those are the 6 3/8 ones. So these will go both ways. If you want to switch foot pads and straps back and forth from boards with different bolt sizes, the ovalized holes make a big difference, make it a lot easier to use. So these, again, are the Ocean Rodeo Bliss Standard, and so they are just called Bliss Air. The upper ones have the quick strap ratchet system on them. They're a little more expensive, but some people like that single action adjustment with the ratcheting. What else we have in the box here? Cabrina H2Os. So, as you know, Cabrina makes 2 models of foot pads as well. These are the H2Os, which is the upper level. These are the ones that have 2 Velcros to adjust, the front and the back. Now, these ones do not have the ovalized bolt circle holes. So you can only put these on boards with exactly 6-inch distance between the bolts. So these will work on the smoothies, but these will not work on the Makos. So those are the Ocean Rodeo H2Os. And then finally in the box, another thing we have, Mystic also makes foot pads and straps. Well, sort of. Mystic buys them from a factory that makes them for them. These are what they call the Marshal foot pad and strap. These are basically the same thing as the Air Rush. I forget what the Air Rush calls them, but they're the entry-level Air Rush foot pads and straps. So these are very thick. That doesn't necessarily make it softer or squishier on your foot, but they are very thick. So that's something to keep in mind. That there's a lot of material there in strong ridges. So if your feet are real sensitive and whatever, they get tore up in the water after a long day of riding, these ridges are significant. You might feel that. These also, though, use 2 straps, so it's a front and aft strap. And again, these are 6-inch bolt distance, and it's not adjustable, so it's exclusive to 6-inch. These will also work on your smoothies, but these will not work on the Makos. So what we like to let you do here at Adventure Kiteboarding is pick and choose and make the system that's best for you. So if you like the Bliss and you don't want to spend extra for the Bliss Air and you want to put these on, well, you can buy them with the smoothie. If you'd rather go with the Mystics, you can put those on the smoothie. If you want to put the Cabrina H2Os, you can put those on the smoothie. So we'll sell things to you, where you can mix and match to make yourself happy. So those are a few of the things that we got in recently, and just wanted to show those to you. Again, exclusive to us, the Ocean Rodeo Smoothy Lights. Give us a call, 414-367-WAVE, or go to our website, adventurekiteboarding.com. Thank you.